What's happening, everyone? Nick here from TV Box Top, and today I have an Android 11 tablet PC for review. This is the XGODY Tab10, and it's a 10-inch tablet that comes with a Bluetooth keyboard and carrying case combo. So to find out all there is to know about this tablet, stay tuned, my full review is up next. So in this package contains the tablet itself. You get a magnetic carrying case and a detachable Bluetooth keyboard. A USB-A to USB-C charging cable for the tablet. A USB-A female to USB-C extension cable. A micro USB charging cable for the keyboard. A screen protector for the tablet. A pin tool to access the micro SD card slot. A user manual for the tablet, and a user manual for the Bluetooth keyboard. Let's first take a look at the design of the tablet. The body of the tablet itself is made of plastic, and to the front it features a 10 inches ISP display with an actual display size of 8.5 inches wide by 5.3125 inches tall by 10 inches diagonally. The bezel around the entire screen is 6 mm thin. It also has a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. To the rear has an 8 megapixel rear-facing camera with a photo sensor. To its left has a power button, a volume rocker, a built-in microphone, and the USB Type-C charging port. At the top it has a headphone jack and a micro SD card slot. And to the base of the tablet has dual internal speakers. The design of the carrying case consists of a magnetic midsection to secure the Bluetooth keyboard and a folding top section to support the tablet in an upright position. This top section is not magnetic, so take note of that. When you close the case with keyboard and tablet, it has a magnetic flap to secure everything in place. The Bluetooth keyboard itself has a metal backplate to connect to the carrying case. It has a full QWERTY keyboard layout with an on-off switch, a Bluetooth pairing button, and 4 LED indicators that indicates its Bluetooth connectivity, its charging status, a power LED, and an indicator for caps lock. Connecting the keyboard to the tablet is an easy 2-step process. You simply turn on the keyboard, press the connect button once, and the Bluetooth indicator will start flashing. Then on the tablet, open your Bluetooth settings and pair a new device by performing a search. You will then see Bluetooth keyboard as a device to connect to, and you simply pair to it. So here I started the tablet, and the responsiveness is great, and it's not slow or lazy in response to basic touch commands. However, it does not have any split screen feature. And now a look at its system and hardware information. The manufacturer of this chipset is Allwinner, and it runs on 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage with Bluetooth version 4.2. The CPU is the Allwinner A133, which is an octa-core Cortex A53 CPU clocked at 1.5 GHz, configured in 32-bit mode with support for only 32-bit apps and games. Its GPU is the Power VR Rogue G8300 with OpenGL version 3.2. It has dual band 2.4 plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The operating system is Android 11. It does not have Vulkan support. Its temperature sensor has been disabled, and it has basic decoders for playing HD 1080p videos and no digital surround sound decoders. This tablet, though it's running an official version of Android, its DRM information shows that it has Google Widevine Level 3 with no HDCP protection, which means if you install streaming apps such as Netflix, it will be restricted to basic 480p resolution only. Some might argue that with a screen size this small, accessing HD resolution from Netflix is not needed. The Netflix app is available for install on the Play Store, but there is no HD icon in a movie description when you open the app. As mentioned, it plays 1080p videos really well, so let's watch and listen as I play some 1080p trailers, and we'll also listen to the audio from its dual internal speakers.
Every night, I dream the same dream. These hands were once used for battle. Now they're but humble tools for peace. I need to figure out exactly who I am.
Oh, great, the Winter Soldier.
These rings signify the commitment.
So help me, Thomas. Sorry. Life or death situation, I need you to use the ring to save me, like right now. Come on. Yes, we made it. The movie's about to start. Here you go.
Please do not film or take photos. Please turn off your cell phones. Remember that smoking is not allowed. And the fire extinguishers are strategically located. Be sure to dispose of trash in its proper place.
You can watch YouTube videos in 1080p resolution. For those interested in gaming, your options are limited as its rendering performance is not the best, but you can play some games on medium to low settings. Also, one thing to note is that there are some apps and games that require a special permission to display over other apps. This permission is not available on this tablet, which means all key mapping apps will not work. To benchmark its performance, on the Antutu benchmark it got a score of 67,796. This score means that this tablet falls within the budget category. So if after watching this review you find that this tablet is what you need without breaking your pocket, or great as a gift for a back-to-school student during or after the summer vacation, you can get it on XGODY's Amazon store for only $129.99. See the link in the description directly below this video. The link in the description is my Amazon affiliate link, and when you use it to purchase or just to simply view the product, you support me in the work that I do on this channel directly, and it provides the means for me to acquire new products for review. So before leaving, all I ask is that you view the product on Amazon, and thanks in advance for using my links. Give this video the thumbs up if you enjoyed the presentation. If this is the first time viewing one of my videos, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, along with the notifications bell to keep in the loop as to when I release new videos or decide to do a giveaway. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.